So unfortunately, you guys have to sit here and watch me take these clip-ins out because my hair needs washing now. And so do these clip-ins. Alright guys, so all done, all like trimmed up for each like track or each clip-in. Same thing for these. So they're all ranged from like short to long. Like my 2-piece clip-ins, I have like do I have 4 of them? Yeah, like 4 of them. Well, there's like 2, and then there's 2 more, and then these, oh, there's like 4 of them, but they're all set up to work pretty well with whatever hairstyle that I decide to do, whether I'm going to do like a full installment of the clip-ins or if I'm just going to do a partial, which is what I'm going to show you in this video. And then these are the long ones. These are the 3-piece, and then the 4, wait, 1, 2, 3, these are the 4, 5 clips that are a little bit longer. So these would usually go right in the center of my head, so like from right here around, or however you want to. But I'm going to show you how I'm just going to do a quick like mini install, because I'm not going to take my hair completely out right now. It is in a flat twist. It's very moisturized right now. Don't know what to say about my scalp, but I'm not taking it out until tomorrow, and this has been in for about a week or so, if not longer. So, and this is how I'm maintaining length. Like, it's just, my hair is just getting longer and longer. So I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to be shaping it pretty soon. I might be, but I'm going to do my favorite like quick install because I'm getting ready to go to the gym. So let me show you how I do that. Awesome. So that's it, guys. Quick, easy winter protective style using some clip-in extensions. Looks like my hair. Very simple. quick and to the point. You guys interested in any natural hair clip-in extensions that matches your natural texture? Check down below in the description box. I'll see you guys in the next video.